Unveiling the Mystery. What does Armageddon really mean? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a word that's as powerful as it is misunderstood: Armageddon. Often heard in movies, books, and even casual conversations, Armageddon stirs thoughts of epic proportions. But what does it truly mean? Let's find out together, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand Armageddon but will be able to use it accurately in your conversations. So, let's dive in. The term Armageddon comes from a blend of history, religion, and language. It first appeared in the Christian Bible in the Book of Revelation, which talks about the end times. Armageddon refers to the final battle between good and evil, where the forces of good are said to triumph. It is actually the name of a place, believed to be the ancient city of Megiddo in present-day Israel, which saw many historic battles. In today's world, Armageddon has gone beyond its biblical roots. It now generally refers to any catastrophic event that has the potential to destroy or drastically change the world. People use it to describe potential disasters like nuclear war, climate change-induced catastrophes, or other apocalyptic scenarios. Armageddon has been a popular theme in movies, music, and literature. When you hear it in these contexts, it's often being used to evoke a sense of urgency or to describe a pivotal moment when everything is on the line. The word captures the human imagination with its association with the ultimate battle or survival challenge. Now that you know what Armageddon means, let's put it to use. Here are some examples of how to use Armageddon in a sentence. The scientists discussed the possibility of an asteroid causing an Armageddon. Some people believed the pandemic was like an Armageddon, with global repercussions. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation helps clear up any confusion and enriches your understanding of the word Armageddon. It's a powerful word with deep historical and cultural significance, and now you can use it accurately and with confidence. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and keep curious.